Are we good?
We're good.
All right, cool. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Crusty Customs Garage. We're back home for this video. We got stuff everywhere. Just ignore all that. We're working on this Jeep again. There he is. Yep. His Jeep. What did we do last time? We put those A-pillar pods on, those cubes. We put the hood.
Ridiculous lights.
We put the video up for that. Wired her all up. He's got the LED headlights. He's got LED tinted turn signals on here.
Whoa!
So today we're gonna you stay right on there. Today we're gonna swap this bumper out for this bumper, and this bumper is gonna have a 20-inch light bar, just like the one up there. And we're gonna get that all wired up, and then we're gonna put on a couple little. We're gonna, do a little extra.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll wire it up in there. And yeah, I'm not about recording. Some guys will record the whole process. Not doing that. My videos are way too long, and people are falling asleep and shit and not watching them. So we're just gonna cut this here, and then when we come back, we'll show this bumper off, and we'll talk a little more. We'll show you the new bumper, and then we'll put everything together. We'll put it on, and then we'll come back again. Yep, over there, and then back over here.
Okay.
And now, what we'll do is just rip this thing off. We're going to skip all that, and we'll be right back. We're back. Just like I said, it was like 45 minutes, or probably even less for us, like half a second for you guys. But we got the winch off. We got the old bumper off over there. We're going to offer up the new Rough Country bumper. And they filming my crotch? I'm just curious.
No.
Looks like they're aiming way down in this region right here. No? All right.
Zoom in on your face.
Rookie cameraman. No, I'm fine. You don't want to see up close on this. So yeah, we're just going to unwrap that new Rough Country bumper. Free plug for you, Rough Country. Hook us up. Your boy Crusty Customs Garage. Working on this Jeep. Rough Country lights.
Rough Country.
Rough Country pods. Rough Country switches. Rough Country A-pillar. Come on. Really.
Hook it up.
You spent a lot of green. Now it's time to, maybe hook us up a little bit. Just like that.
A kickback.
Kickback. That's it. So we're going to offer that up. We're going to see if it fits. Thinking we're going to have to remove this winch plate and then put that bumper on, but we're going to try it. I know it's going to have to come off, but fingers crossed we don't have to, because it's like 10 extra bolts. So anyway, when we come back, we will hopefully just have that bumper on there, and we'll be rolling. So anyway, I'm going to, just going to give a little, and we're going to be right back. So, okay, are we ready? We'll be right back. Boom! All right, anyway, dramatic. We're back. We got the old bumper off, like I showed you.
Hell yeah.
This is a new Rough Country, model number unknown. With Smitty build, model number unknown. It says X20 on there, if that helps you. I'm not an off-road guy. I drive dump Volkswagens. I don't drive sky-high Jeeps. I just work on them. So, we got the winch on. We got whatever that's called mounted. We got all that there. All this here, that's all mounted. Some of you guys can fill in the blanks there. We're gonna offer her up. Bolt her on. Right there. We'll come back. And yeah, she'll at least be on there. So that'll be progress. So wind's picking up a little. And it's not what you call warm today. So it's about 45 and not cinchingly cold wind. So, right in here is a little tight. So anyway, let's get her offered up. And yeah, we'll just be right back, and she'll be kind of where we want her to be. So, hey, we're back. A couple hours has passed. We had some issues. Had to take the bumper back off. As you can see, the bumper's on. Everything is all hooked up. It's awesome. Came out really nice. All the lights are working great. All the wiring's all tucked. So let's give it a shot, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got your headlight. Fog lights are on. Like the fog lights, they really work right. Now we got the new bumper light. More fog. Bam! Alright, so
Holy shit! Can you see me now?
That's just ridiculous. So anyway, Crusty Customs Garage, full light treatment. Can't see me, so that's fine. You can't see what I'm doing or anything.
Right there.
So yeah, I like how you're blocking the light with using my giant dome. So anyway, let's walk this way. So yeah, got some more stuff on here. Got the new rear door handle. There. Now I'll close that up. Then over on the other side, you got your hinges.
Matching hinges?
Got those matching door handles, but the daylight has escaped us today.
Royal hooks.
So, Royal Hooks. That's a shout out to Royal Hooks and Rough Country.
No stickers.
No stickers from Rough Country for 2 bumpers, 8 lights. What? Oh yeah, and A-pillar switch, 4-switch mount with all the switches, all the wiring harnesses, not 1 sticker. Shame on you, Rough Country. Anyway, send us some stickers.